Hi all, welcome to Bond Bytes, the daily bond market highlights from INRBonds. I'm Arjun Patsati, and before I start, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as visit INRBonds.com for free trials and to receive all our research into your mailbox. Today saw musical chairs again from between equity and treasuries. US Treasury yields fell while equities also fell. The Indian Sensex fell sharply in the morning, but then ended up better to close off lows. The 10-year gsec yield is trending up. It's moved up by 5 basis points over the last 1 week, and the weak demand is showing lack of interest in buying the bond, taking the yields up. The rupee, however, ended slight marginally higher, not reacting to the equity market volatility. And on the corporate side, we did see Tata Cleantech, the green company. We talked about climate change bonds, and Tata Cleantech is one of the climate change bonds that is on offer in the market. Issue 3-year floaters. Now, what are floaters? Floaters are bonds that are linked to a floating rate benchmark, which could be a government bond, or it could be a treasury bill, or it could be a money market rate. And what does a floater offer to the investor? Largely, it offers protection against rising interest rates. So given that the benchmark is a floating rate benchmark, so simply put, for those who don't understand the terminology that I'm using, if you buy a floater and tomorrow RBI raises the repo rate by 1%, and all the bonds yields move up by 1%, the next year you will get 1% higher coupon on your floating rate investments. So the problem with floaters is that it doesn't have liquidity, because pricing of a floater is very difficult, as it requires mathematical models that is based on data on traded levels or forward levels, expected forward levels, and that is not always available in Indian bond markets. So if you have to invest in a floater, you will have to invest for a longer period of time, at least till maturity, and you have to make sure that the issuer who's investing in the floater is a very strong issuer in terms of balance sheet strength. So thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as press the like button for this Bond Bytes, and see you tomorrow.